I do not own the copyrights. Not TLC. I'm not TLC. Go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you wanna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Hey, I seen the rainbow yesterday, but too many storms. I tell me don't even a trace of not when God give me rays. This is because my life is 10 shades of gray. I pray all 10 fade away, so I'm praising for the sunny days. Like this promise is true, only my faith can undo. The many chances I blew to bring my life to a new, clear blue and unconditional. So I cut the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only beating hope is for the folk that can't cope with such an enduring pain that keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for shooting names in your own vein? What a shame that you enact for someone else's thing. You came to be insane when I was running time. You got your victims to your own mind. Dreams, aspirations, and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself. The rest is up to me and you. Lisa Left Eye Lopez.